Right, this has fixed it. This is the best headlight for astronomy I've ever come across. It's absolutely fantastic. It's a deep red, so even though it's bright, it doesn't actually affect your night vision. But unlike a lot of the other tiny lights, I can literally see everything in here. This is absolutely amazing because I'm so often desperately trying to do something without putting the lights on when I'm setting up my telescope and things. But I can thoroughly recommend this light. It's the best I've used so far. Really, absolutely brilliant. And so it's so red. It's just brilliant. And the white light on it, and then this is the bright light. Are you ready? Holy crap. This is just so incredibly bright. Let's dim it down. Okay. Dim down, still bright but a reasonable level, and then into red. Look at that, absolutely brilliant. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.